Right, this is a quick intro how to access and create a subject markbook using Google Docs. So I've created a basic template that you can use, and this is how to do it. First of all, you need to type in this address on the browser, docs.google.com/spreadsheets. When you do it, you will see this screen. What you need to do, you need to go to this thing called Template Gallery. So you click on that guy there. Make sure you select Aquinas College, and underneath here we have Subject Markbook. So you click on that, and away you go. It will create for you a Subject Markbook. Just wait a moment until a word appears called Markbook. Just bear with me a second. Okay, there it is. Might take a while. How does this markbook work? Well, on this page you have a list of assignments. Whenever you want to send an assignment, you simply type in the assignment name there. Its total mark goes there, and the grade boundaries go in these things there. Okay. What we'll do, I'll just take you through how to create a class first of all, and then put in some assignments. When you put in an assignment, all the classes that are in your subject department will get the same assignment. So I'll just show you how that works. Just need to move this out of the way for a second. First of all, to make a class, you go Markbook and create class. It'll ask you for some authorization. You have to be logged into Google Chrome with your college email address to do this. So there's my college email address, and I want to say allow. And now I'm ready to enter in my class. So let's say CO A1 lower 6 A1 or B1 or something, or an F1. Just put that in capitals, I guess. Okay, so what it will do now, creating a sheet for that class. It's just running a script. So whilst this is happening, you have to be a bit patient. It's doing its magic, and here we go. Here's the class. Now you have to get off My Aquinas the details about your students. That's AQ number, surname, forename, G-score, and target grade. So you'll need that information from My Aquinas. You can get it on a report and paste it straight in. Once you've done that, the system will check results based on the student's performance. So let's just make up a student. I don't know, one. Fred, Smith, Fred, G-score, I don't know, 5.9, target grade, say C. Now, if you create an assignment for all your students to do in all the classes, so let's just make another class just to show you that working. So we go to Markbook, create another class, CO A1 lower 6, I don't know, B1. Wait for that class to create. Okay, and you notice now there's an extra tab here for both classes. So back to my assignment, I'm going to do, say, induction test. And it's going to be out of, say, 50 marks. Is it going to be graded? Well, I say yes, it is. Now, U is obviously 0. To get an E would be 10. A B would be 20. So I'm typing in the grade boundaries for my test. I'm running out of numbers. Here we go. 45, 47. Okay, and you can add some comment there about what the test is if you want to. Now, what will happen is that both for both subjects, both classes that you've created, the induction test appears here as the first test to do. So back to our Fred Smith. Let's say he scores a rather pathetic 12 marks. He works out his percentage, it grades him, and then it gives him a performance score of -2 because he scored an E in the grade, in the test, and his target grade was a C. Okay. On the other hand, I don't know, Jones Mary, 5.9 as well, let's say, target grade C. She does fantastically well, scores 40 marks, gets a B. She gets a +1 grade, and the average for the group is gone up to -0.5. Okay, and as you add tests in the assignment, all the classes will add the new tests appearing on these columns along the way. Anytime you can look at a student's performance. So let's look in class F1. Let's find all the students. Again, it just takes a while to find the students for that class. Bear with me as it does this. Sometimes you have to click away and come back. There we go, Fred Smith. And there's his performance there. You can all, and it will list these will get listed down as he does more work. So you have like a summary progress sheet for him. You can also compare class performances. So for the induction test, we have that this class has done an average mark of 26 and an average performance of 0.5. Obviously, I haven't put any data in the other class, so you don't see their performance, but it would provide you with a sort of a comparative chart of how each class has performed in that particular test. And that's it. That's your subject mark book. You save it. You give it a nice name. In this case, I'll just put it test book, and it saves in my drive. You want to share that with all your co-workers, your co-teachers in your department. You click on the share icon here and simply add in the names of, for example, it'll find the staff. So, like, for example, James Cornard works with me, so I would invite him to join onto the spreadsheet, and then you can edit it as well. And you can all edit it at home, at college, simultaneously, and there you go. You've got yourself a spreadsheet. Hope that's useful. Any questions? You know where I am.